Hello, welcome to my channel again, World Kitchen. Today we're going to make a baked fish. This is the ingredients that we're going to use. This is so simple and very easy. I use Filet Swai. I think some of you knows that what kind of fish. I have that wine right there and also oyster sauce. Okay, let's put it up together. Okay, these peppers we need to cut very tiny, cubes tiny. Some of them they include seed, but I remove all the seeds from mine. Like that. That should be enough, that size. Okay, the same also cut with ginger. We're going to put this one on top of the fish, that's why we need to cut it small. Just like that. Just watch out your fingers, you're not going to cut it. I only cut myself like few times because I'm careless. Now we need to dry out the fish. There's a lot of water in it because it's frozen. I like to use all the time filet. You just have to eat it right away. No bones. That should be enough. You now we have to make a sauce to put it on the fish before we bake it. Alright. Okay, I use 1/4 cup of broth instead of water. Okay, this is lime. And this is the wine. And sugar. And we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. stick in there. I want that all gone. Just mix it well. And we're gonna add here the black pepper. Okay, we're going to arrange the fish to the baking pan. Okay, here is my buddy. Because I can use this one for grilling, I can use it for baking. Because I call this buddy. This is my buddy. I love this thing. I'm so happy to have this pan. Very nice. You put this sauce. I like this sauce when it's cooked. You can put it on the rice. See? And also the reason why I put a lot of sauce on it because the flavor will absorb to the fish. Okay, and then we'll start putting this on top. And look at that, bell peppers. Very nice colors. I'm supposed to cook casserole, chicken casserole today, but I got so hungry I can't wait for a couple hours, not couple hours. This one is so easy and quick, so I decided to make fish today. And you need to preheat your oven 400 degrees. We're going to bake this for like 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, if you use different fish like have bone in, 400 degrees, 30 minutes. You can use this recipe with trout, also halibut or mahi-mahi, tilapia. Yeah, you can. I think it doesn't matter what kind of fish you put. The matter for me is the taste. That's all matter to me. So here is my baked filet swai. There you go. It looks really yummy. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like it, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video and share with your friends and family. Okay, see you next time. Okay, let's try my fish. Would you like to join with me? I'm pretty sure it's good. There's a lot of flavor in it. The fish perfectly cooked. Really good. Oh, I'm so hungry, really. It's good for rice.